Hello everyone. Board exams are one of the most important milestones in a student's academic journey. For many students, class 11th and 12th board exams are not just regular tests. They play a crucial role in shaping future career opportunities and higher educational options. With proper planning, smart study techniques, and consistent revision, scoring high marks is absolutely achievable. In today's video, we are going to discuss some important steps to get higher percentage in board exam marks. Step number 1. Know the syllabus and weightage. Download the official syllabus and mark high weightage chapters. Focus more on numericals and theory. In bio and social subjects, NCERT lines almost equal to exam questions. Step number 2. NCERT is deciding. Read every line, table, diagram and summary. Many questions come directly or indirectly from NCERT. For chemistry and bio, don't skip examples. Step number 3. Concept first, memorization later. Understand why, not just what. Use flowcharts, diagrams, reaction mechanisms, especially for chemistry. Step number 4. Daily revision rule. What you study today, revise tomorrow. Weekly revision compulsory. Make short notes for last minute revision. Step number 5. Practice answer writing. Write answers in points, headings, diagrams wherever there is need. Underline keywords. Time yourself while writing. Step number 6. Solve previous year question papers. Last 10-year papers must and should. Identify repeatedly asked questions. Those questions helps you understand question pattern, marks distribution. Step number 7. Time management tips. Create a realistic timetable. Study 6 to 8 hours daily, including college time. Remember, quality greater than quantity. Give 10 minutes break after every 15 minutes study. Difficult subjects try to do morning and easy subjects revise at night. Step number 8. Mental health and confidence. Don't ignore health. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Eat light and healthy food. Avoid mobile addiction during study time. Step number 9. So avoid these common mistakes. Studying only before exams. Skipping NCERT. Not practicing numericals. Comparing yourself with others. Step number 10. Last 15 days strategy. Revise short notes. Practice sample papers. Focus on weak areas. And don't start any brand new topics before board exam. Dear students, board exams test your consistency but not your intelligence. If you study smartly and regularly, 90% plus is really achievable. I hope everyone follows all these steps and comes out with excellent result. Thank you very much. Thank you for your patient listening. Good luck to everyone.